Hey guys, so I'm doing number 13 in chapter 8, which is reading through a spiral. So the problem, so it says start with a right triangle with both legs having length 1. What is the length of the new hypotenuse? Suppose we draw a line of length 1 perpendicular to the hypotenuse and then make a new triangle as illustrated. What is the length of this new hypotenuse? Suppose we continue in this manner. Describe a formula for the lengths of all the hypotenuses. And I really like this problem because I think it's something high schoolers could get pretty easily. I don't know if they could describe a formula as well as I think what they could, but I think they could at least say what's going on and make predictions about something like that. And so I like to think of this picture right here because it basically shows what's going on. You see that first triangle is 1 by 1, so you get square root 2, and then square root 2 by 1, so you get square root 3, and then yada yada. And you kind of see. I think it's pretty clear what the pattern is going on. So I'm gonna kind of jump back to my Word because my PowerPoint was being really dumb. So my solution right here. So I use Pythagorean theorem when kind of solving this, just to kind of get all those numbers that this kind of mess of triangles kind of shows. I don't know how to describe that. So I thought using the Pythagorean theorem, you can find the first one because it's 1 by 1, so it'd be 1 squared plus 1 squared, and if you square root that, you get length square root 2. So then if we draw a perpendicular line of length 1 to this leg, like the problem says, that means you get a square root 2 by 1 triangle. So if you do square root 2 squared plus 1 squared and square root that, you'll get square root 3. So again, add another length of length 1 to that. So it'll be the same thing, square root 3 squared now, plus 1 squared, square root that. Would you look at that? That's square root 4, which is, I guess technically that's just 2, but we'll just leave it square root 4, just kind of for the sake of consistency. And I think it's pretty easy to see the pattern of what's going on. And so what I thought that this basically meant to me that the length of the kth hypotenuse that you make would have to be the square root of k plus 1. As you can kind of see, the first one is square root 2, the second one is 3, third one is 4. That means the kth one would be k plus 1. Thanks, guys.